Hello, my name is Moshe, and to answer your question, I was working at a school. I don't know if you're familiar with the Montessori curriculum, but it's a curriculum whereby theory-based subjects is put into practical forms of learning, right? So we would have like objects to teach a concept to a child, and then basically what happened was I was working very closely with the deputy principal and I was new in the role. So she asked me if I could hold a training and do some presentations, both practical and then theory as well. So then the presentation went really smoothly. It was quite fun actually, the theory part, but then when I came to the practical part, I kind of like made a mistake. And then one of the teachers tried to correct me. I was open to it because this teacher was actually there for quite some time. This taught me a great lesson, and I actually decided to, after school, to spend like an hour with some practical work because I realized that I'm more theory based than practical. But I would say that this strengthened my abilities quite a bit. It taught me a lot about myself, and I try to improve the shortcomings. So, yes, I was very grateful to learn this lesson quite early. And so, yes, my practical skills have improved.